Welcome to Arnott Suspension Products. In these installation instructions, we will walk you through the replacement of a front air strut for an Audi A6 or S6 C7 or an Audi A7 or S7 4G with an Arnott remanufactured front air strut. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Now raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Then remove the applicable engine bay trim to access the strut top beneath. Next, locate the shock tower and begin by removing applicable engine bay trim. Refer to the owner's manual for shock removal instructions. Now remove the nut securing the strut in place. Now disconnect the electrical connector as well as the airline. Also disconnect the ride height sensor. Then remove the rubber grommets from the spindle assembly. Now remove the sway bar end link bolt. Loosen and remove the upper control arms and remove the spindle bolt. Next, loosen and remove the shock fork pinch bolt as well as the lower shock mounting bolt. Lift the shock up and out of the lower mounting fork and remove the shock from the vehicle. Tighten all nuts and bolts to manufacturer's specifications during the installation process. Then start the installation process by installing the air strut into the vehicle and seat it in the lower mounting fork. Next, install the lower shock mounting bolt and tighten it. Now install and tighten the shock fork pinch bolt. Then reinstall the spindle bolt and tighten the upper control arms. Now install the sway bar end link bolt as well as the rubber grommets onto the spindle assembly. Next, reconnect the ride height sensor and remove the plug from the check valve to install the provided VOS fitting. Now reconnect the electrical connector. Refer to the owner's manual for shock installation instructions. Then install the 4 nuts securing the strut in place. Now reinstall the applicable engine bay trim and reinstall the wheel. The installation is now complete. Thank you for following our guide on installing a remanufactured Arnott front air strut for the Audi A6 or S6 and the Audi A7 or S7. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.